This is Dominate Partners guidelines for customer communication / customer email marketing. I think it's very important, number one, that you maintain communication with your customers. And you should use multiple modes of communication. Email is one of the most consistent ways you can maintain communication, but you should mix in SMS, phone calls, mail to maintain communication with your customer database. Very, very important that you do that. But let me talk a little bit about customer email marketing. First of all, you should communicate with your customers at least once, if not twice per month. Don't believe me? Sign up for newsletters from larger organizations. I'm not talking about mom and pop shops. I'm talking about your large companies. They're going to send you emails probably twice, 3, 4, 5 times per month because they want you to have brand recognition and to remember them when you need service. Promise you, it's not overdoing it. You're just not doing it enough. And whatever you think is wrong, I promise you. Why? Well, you're only going to get about 30 to 35% of your customers to open your emails. So if you send 2 times and you have some people open twice, you're probably only going to get 40 to 50% of your clients to see your emails, not counting the ones that are going to go into other folders or spam because they've set up their settings so tight for email. You have to be sending emails. Secondly, you have to send subject lines that are going to pop. They should pop. They should make people go, wow, I want to open this. Billie Jean, who is a great digital marketer, did an email campaign, and the subject line was, will you marry me? He sent it out to 5 million cold prospects, had almost a 60% open rate. Ridiculous. Had nothing to do with marriage. Why would I do that, Gary? Well, because you want people to engage, and funny is engaging. Quit being an old crusty and utilize tactics to get people to open your emails and to open the communication. So when you're sending out email, subject line is important. Secondly, the copy. Don't write War and Peace. I know you hear me say it all the time, but it's true. Compact, full copy is important. The other thing is on a quarterly or every 6-month basis, append your data. What does append mean? Take your list, load it into a data resource, and grab updated cell phone and email information. If you don't have it, it'll give it to you. If you don't have the right ones, it'll give that to you. It's very important to maintain customer communication on a consistent basis so they don't go somewhere else to find your services when it's time. So they remember you, they have brand recognition, and it'll help to dominate your market.